Hello guys, I welcome you to Impact Mathematics Academy, and in this video we are going to discuss indices. Indices is one of the major basics in mathematics which will help you in solving calculations and problem solving in mathematics. Now let's get started. Index notation is a method of shortening the product of numbers that are of the same. For example, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is the product form of it, which will give us 2 raised to the power of 4, the index form of it. Again, 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 into 5 places, the product form of it, which is 6 raised to the power of 5, the index form of it. So we notice that the product form of a number occupies much space and it takes time than the index form of it. Generally, if we have a times a times a into 3 places, which is a raised to the power of 3. In this case, a is called the base, while 3 is the power or index. Likewise, for my example, 2 is the base and 4 is the power. Here now, 6 is the base and 5 is the power. So, this now leads us to laws of indices. Laws of indices. We want to examine the laws governing the index notation of a number. Law number 1. For any real number a, a raised to the power of 3 times a raised to the power of 4. Let's consider the first term, a raised to the power of 3, which is the same thing as a times a times a, the product form of it, multiplied by the second term, a raised to the power of 4, which is the same thing as a times a times a times a. Right. If we clear the bracket now, we have a times a times a times a times a times a into 7 places, which you have a raised to the power of 7. Notice that the index, this index now I'm talking about, that's the 7, in the result is the sum of the given indices. That this 7, the index of a raised to the power of 7, is the result of the given indices a raised to the power of 3 and a raised to the power of 4. Let's check it out. At a raised to the power of 3 times a raised to the power of 4 is the same thing as, remember, they have the same base. The same base. You now bring out the one base and add the powers, which is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 will give us what? 7. It becomes a raised to the power of 7. Generally, for any real numbers mn, a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n equals a raised to the power of m plus n. So, in this law, the first law, normally called multiplication law, is when we have the same base and different powers, what do? You bring out the base and add the power. Alright, let's take some examples. Example number 1. 3 raised to the power of 4 times 3 raised to the power of 6. Watch this very well. This is 3 and this is 3, which means they have the same base. I pick out the 3 and add the powers, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6, and 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. That is 3 raised to the power of 10. Answers. Alright, example number 2. Then 2 raised to the power of 5 multiply by 3 raised to the power of 2, multiply by 2 raised to the power of 3, multiply by 3 raised to the power of 4. In this manner now, what do? We rearrange. We rearrange. I can see 2 here, I can see 2 here. So I rearrange it by 2 raised to the power of 5, come first, multiply by 2 raised to the power of 3, which is this one, come the second term, multiply by, now come to the 3's now. 3 raised to the power of 2 multiply by 3 raised to the power of 4. Okay, looking at this now, they have the same base. I bring the one base, 2 raised to the power of, bring the one base, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, multiply by, this is the same base, bring it down, 3 into, this is 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4. So when I add, it becomes 2 raised to the power of 5 plus 3 is 8. And multiply by 3 raised to the power of, when I add 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is our answer. This is our answer.